So this is my testimonial video for Kasana Exports. I really love their hair, and the customer service is amazing. Quality is amazing. This is my third time. I even think this is my fourth time wearing the hair, and as you can see, the quality is still, I can say that the quality is still just as good as it started, as when I got it. So yeah, when you DM them on Instagram, they don't, take long to reply or anything like that. Their communication is amazing. And so yeah, this is how I've styled the hair today. A swoop. I've sprayed it with all sorts of products, and whatever you put in it, as long as you wash it and condition it, it will always go back to the original quality. It is raw Indian hair, and honestly, I don't think I'll be buying hair from anyone else anytime soon. It's really amazing. So yeah, so I bought bundles from them and I had them made into a wig, and the hair quality is so dense and so full and so good that I didn't even use all the bundles. I would say I used 2.5. I still have quite a few wefts left, and I would say that says a lot about the quality of the hair. So yeah, just there's really no difference between now and when I first got the hair a month ago. So this is, I got it in straight, but then I curl it, I give it curls, and obviously I've applied heat to it so many times as well, and the quality is still the same, just as soft, just as amazing. I wouldn't recommend anyone goes anywhere else. Customer service was tip top. Communication, one thing about Kasana Exports is that the communication is going to be amazing. They reply to you within less than 24 hours always. I don't care where in the world you are, because I'm in the UK, for example, and they get back to me really fast. They're really serious about their business, and I can appreciate that. And they always ask you, they check up on you after, how are you finding the hair, things like that. It's not really a buy and abandon type of situation. So this is amazing. The hair is really soft, and what I ordered was 20 inches, 3 bundles, and an 18-inch frontal. And one thing with most vendors that you'll find on AliExpress or anywhere that you normally get your hair is that after a while it just starts to shed. 24 inches will turn to 20, 18 inches will turn to 12, and all sorts of stuff like that. But I've bought this as a 20 like a month ago now, and it's still a 20. When I brush it, honestly, literally does not shed. I've never had hair more amazing than this. I can run my fingers through it, nothing comes out. It's really worth all the money, to be honest with you. There's no point buying hair from anywhere else because it just doesn't last. But when you invest in raw hair and come to companies such as Kasana Exports, this is the type of result you get, and it's all you need, to be completely honest. The hair is amazing, and I wouldn't go anywhere else. This is not sponsored or anything, because like, who am I? But I found them by just researching raw hair vendors, because I wanted to start investing in my hair and not buying cheap hair. And I came across Kasana Exports, and I can honestly say that I'm so lucky to have found them, because their stuff is the real deal.